Number 600R. It's a 2010 Acura MDX. It does have a key, does not start. See, the front fender's no good. Front bumper, radiator core support, radiator's bent. Got a couple little parking lot dings on the passenger side fender. Got a dent right there on the passenger door. Back door's no good. Quarter panel's no good. Rear bumper's got surface scratches on it. Deck lid's got surface scratches on it. Rear bumper. Does have a key, it does not start. All the seat belts are locked, the steering wheel airbags are deployed, and the passenger roof airbags deployed. Has a sunroof. So you can see there is third row seating. And all the seat belts are good. Again, stock number 40600R. It's a 2010 Acura MDX. It does have a key, it does not start. Wait. Yeah, it does have a key, it does not start.